Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput. Today we are discussing how to do production of streptomycin. Introduction. Streptomycin, a bacterial antibiotic drug used in TB. Streptomyces gracious used as a microorganism in production. This is the chemical composition of streptomycin. The medium, in a medium we are using a carbon sources which are starch, dextrine, glucose, glycerol. Economically materials, these are nitrogen source are natural agriculture products, soybean meal, inorganic salts, ammonium salts. Third one is animal oils, vegetable oil, mineral oils. Inoculums are, we are using a Streptomyces gracious inoculum in production. This is the medium which is used in production. Glucose quantity is 2.5, extracted soya meal 4%, distilled dried soluble 0.5%, sodium chloride is 0.2.5%, pH set is 7.3 to 7.5. Fermentation process. Spores of Streptomyces gracious are inoculated in a medium to establish a culture with a high mycelium biomass. Introduction in an inoculum. Then pH range is 7 to 8. Temperature was 25 to 30 degrees Celsius. Then we have inoculated this process to 5 to 7 days. Phase 1, initial fermentation phase are little production streptomyces. Then we are isolated the rapid growth. Then we have seen proteolytic enzymatic activity, where is pH raise up to 7.5. Then characterize the release of ammonia. Then we have isolated the soybean meal, utilization of growth. Glucose is slowly utilized by the streptomycin phase. Second is the little production of mycelia. Glucose added to the medium, then release the soybean meal consumed, then pH fairly adjusted up to 7.6 to 8. Phase 3, final phase of the fermentation and depletion of carbohydrate from the medium. Streptomycin production cease of a bacterial cells, beginning of lyse. Then ammonium from the lyse cell increase the pH. Recovery and purification. Mycelium is separated from the broth by filtration and streptomycin is recovered. The recover process is a broth is acidified, filtered and neutralized. Then it's subjected to the column containing cations exchange, resin absorb streptomycin from the broth, and column is washed with the water, and streptomycin treated with the HCl and concentrated in vacuum dryness. Then after dryness, we have isolated streptomycin through the dissolved methanol and filter acetone, and then we have doing a purification process by the methanol and with the complex of chloride. Thank you.